cars. We're pretty much rearranging literally everything, as you guys saw yesterday. I didn't really say it in the clip it, but you guys would have seen the Mustang. The blue one was the very first car to go inside the Lamborghini garage. And as you guys could see, ironically, the Lamborghini is sitting outside. But regardless, we're moving around all the cars. And yeah, I think the green Mustang will also be going inside the garage, and then the M5 and the Lamborghini and the C55 will be sitting outside, sort of by choice, because I do want it to be a little easier moving the cars in and out, because I'm not trying to move hella cars out of the way just to get my cars out. All right, got the Lambo over here, M5 over there, and yeah, my dad's gonna start bringing in the green Mustang. Unfortunately, I got my first light on the car too, and apparently I'm running low on brake fluid, so gotta deal with that. Here we are in the Lambo. Not really recording anything crazy, but you know, we'll just see what happens. Might get a reaction or two, not very sure. Just going for a cruise, since it has been a cool minute since I've really driven the car. Obviously it was gone for a couple of months, and then it came back, and once it came back, I shot the new YouTube intro, and then I got sick, and you know, I've been sick for the last week and a half or so, and yeah, I haven't had the chance to take out the car, so I was like, why not take it out today? It is a really nice day, and yeah, like I mentioned, don't really have any topics to talk about or whatever, so we're just going to be cruising around, and I'm just going to maybe clip portions of this and throw it into the running vlog. You guys saw that reaction from the Audi. That was kind of interesting. Oh, thank you.
Stacks, run it up. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, it don't on lame, can't even on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment, little boy, I'm not one you could play with. I grew up in Brooklyn, left right, I keep looking. If the ops come, then we get to bucking. So sad that my youngest stay shook. Get a bag, we don't play with a book. Made a slab, now they all wanna hug. If you ask, yeah, I do the dash, yeah. Got money bags, yeah. For the ones that they took, I know that I'm good, ayy. Straight face and I look. They say that budget is in my outlook, yeah. Hot mail, we gon' post bail when that ship sail, oh yeah.
Man, what a time. I used to literally take the Audi A4 down the street. Even when I was learning how to drive, my dad would take me down the street sometimes. But I remember whenever I would want to go for a spin in the Audi, probably the Nissan 300ZX as well, I used to loop around. I wouldn't go super far. I would loop around a few blocks and I would come down this way and go back home. And then obviously once I started paying for my own gas, got the C63 and all that, I started taking spins for like super long, considering I was the one paying for it, so I wouldn't feel bad if I went for a spin that ended up lasting an hour or so. And that's pretty much what we're on right now too, actually. Just been going on for a spin. It's literally been probably over an hour since I've been driving, but just can't get enough for this.
That's my swag, don't get mad, go there. They wanna know how we came up out of basement, we was damn stuck. I was down bad on my ass, I had no job, I was f***ed up, yeah. Now I get to sit back and laugh while you haters are mad and you counting your pay stubs. I do this all on my own, right after wake up I go get my cake off. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro on that same shit. No, it don't on lame, can't even on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment. Look, boy, I'm not one you can play with. Watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came at that dog pound, yeah. Say watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came at that dog pound, yeah. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro on that same shit. No, it don't lame, can't even on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment. Look, boy, I'm not one you can play with.
Here we are with the cars on this very gloomy summer day in California, and we are taking the M5 out because I need to pick up something from Nordstrom. So here goes nothing. Cars are literally so dirty. They definitely need a wash. I think once I wash the cars, I'm going to put the covers on, and then we'll figure out whether they go into the garage or not. We haven't really thought everything through, but the Lambo's probably most likely going in. But I think I'm going to keep the M5 outside so it's easier to take out and actually use. Got the bag. An interesting part about it is that it was supposed to be delivered from the Nordstrom warehouse or whatever to any local Nordstrom, so I chose the closest one obviously, and it was supposed to be delivered on Tuesday. On Tuesday we called, they said it wasn't ready and it would be ready on Wednesday. I never got an email. Last night I randomly decided to check my random inboxes, checked promotions, and for some weird reason it wasn't there, but the whole time I was like, what if they're actually wearing my pants or something? I was going to cancel the order, but here it is. Literally has nothing to do with cars, but I mean, considering we shot some scenes with the M5 grabbing these pants, I was like, why not do a quick unboxing, if you will. It's probably only going to take 30 seconds. I'm not going to really get into it, but I caught these pants. Easily could have spent that money elsewhere on the cars or something, but I decided why not get some pants, because why not, I guess. So these are the pants. Pretty cool. Got all these pockets and stuff, keep it baggy. And yeah, favorite part is easily the button. And you know, if you guys want to see more segments about clothes within these car vlogs, then let me know. Obviously I like cars and shoes and clothes and whatnot. In the garage, after I don't know how many days, as you guys could tell, I don't think I recorded it. So we moved a lot of the stuff that was here, sort of reorganized certain stuff against the wall over here. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking at. Well, we probably could fit a second car from where the Mustang's sitting to, you know, over here, but we haven't done so. We're still trying to sort everything out. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Mustang been sitting in here. We should be bringing the Lambo in at some point, not really sure when. We never really planned out exactly what we're doing, so we're scrambling to a certain degree. But basically the Lambo's going to come in here. Might sit in here with the green Mustang, not really sure. But the M5 will actually just remain outside because it's probably going to be the car I run around in. So I don't want to move a dozen cars. I'm exaggerating, but I don't want to move a ton of different cars just to get the M5 out. Obviously, I'm not taking the Lambo to really run errands when I'm with family members. Obviously, I'm not going to take the Lambo to the post office since it scrapes. So a lot of times I'm probably going to be taking the M5 out, and I don't want to have to move so many cars just to get the M5 out, especially if I'm in a rush. So the Lamborghini will sit in the garage. You know, the unfortunate part about that is I still will need to move other cars to get the Lambo out whenever I want to use it. But, you know, we'll just see how things pan out. I'm probably going to keep it in this spot, so at least I don't have to move whatever car is, you know, over here if I were to park it over on this side. But we'll just see how everything pans out. I might even keep the Lamborghini outside from time to time, just so it's easier and more accessible to use. But we'll just see. Need to wash the cars this weekend, but I'm not sure if I'll have time. All three definitely do need a wash.